Hey friends, this is Atif of Pure Val and welcome to the new update on Compound. In my earlier videos, I have been showing you that recently the price of Compound is rejected by the resistance of a quite long-term up channel, and this was one of those videos. Now let's move to the live chart, and this is by the way a 7 days time frame chart. And you can see that after this rejection by the resistance of this up channel, the price then has broken down this very long-term support of $100. That was recently working as a resistance here. Previously, it was working as support. Now, after the breakdown, it can be again flipped into resistance. Right now, the price then is testing a quite long-term support of exponential moving average 21, the EM at 21 on the 7 days time frame chart. For the past several weeks or months, it was working as a resistance. And before that, here it was working as support. And now after the breakout, it is flipped into a support. You can see that for the past several weeks, it is working as support. At the same time, the price end has also tested this long-term support of $65 as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout that is happening on the same 7 days time frame chart from this big and long term down channel as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup of Fala, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. On that chart, you can buy the complete trade setup, like the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And you can also watch when I shared that trade setup as well. Like this trade setup I shared here, you can watch on 15th of January 2024, 2025 in the members. And here you can watch the complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Compound, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several months, it is moving inside this up channel. By the way, we found the support and resistance of this channel when it was moving inside this previous down channel. We found the resistance here, by the way, in the month of May 2022, and support was found here in the month of June 2022. We had a rejection, bounce, another bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce. So many touch points we had here recently. And while moving to the downside, this time the price also formed this falling wedge pattern as well. And you can see that for several weeks or months, the price and was also rejected by this red line. That is the exponential moving average 21 on this 7 days time frame chart. And now, after the breakout from this wedge, we have also broken out this EMA 21 as well. But this time, despite this long spike, the price line could not break out the resistance of this up channel. And after this rejection, we have broken down this long-term support of $100 that was previously working as a resistance here and support here. And now again, it can work as a strong resistance. Right now, we are testing this long-term support of $65. By the way, this is another quite long-term support that was recently working at the resistance here, and before that, for a few weeks, it had been working at the resistance here and resistance here as well. And now it is working at a very nice support for the past several weeks. For example, if the price and breaks down these two support levels, the exponential moving average 21 and this support of $65, then we may test the support of this up channel once again, somewhere here approximately at $44. However, in case of breaking out the resistance of the sub channel, we can expect another pump and pricing can also break out this long-term resistance of $175 as well after the breakout from this channel. By the way, this $175 has been previously working as a resistance here, support here, and support here. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from the sub channel, that expected target after the breakout will be here. For example, if we will have a breakout from here, then target will be approximately at $361. Now let's take a look at the target for the breakout from this previous down channel. That move is still due. That target can be here at the top of the channel. That is somewhere between $900 to $1,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.